Sanibonani, Zamani Zulu Nation. This is me, Zamani. This is a new thing I'm going to try out. I'm going to pretend that you don't know any Zulu at all, and we're going to build a story from very simple and just make a little story. So this is came from a class that we did last Wednesday. So yeah, sit back, relax. When a grandmother traditionally tells a story to her grandchildren around the fire, she says, "Kwasuka sukela." And then the children will respond, "Kosu." And then she says, "Once upon a time there was kwakukhona." They respond, "Sampheka ngokozwana." Cool. So just present tense for now. Kukhona means there is. Kukhona inja, a dog. Everything I say is absolutely fascinating. So if I say a statement, you go, "Okay." Kukhona inja. Okay. Question. Kukhona inja? Yebo? Noma? Cha. Kukhona inja? Yebo. Kukhona inja. Kukhona ikati? Ikati? Cat? Cha. Akukho ikati, kukhona inja. Kukhona inja noma kukhona indlovu, an elephant. Hayibo, indlovu cha. Akukho indlovu, kukhona inja. Iphi inja? Iphi inja? Inja, go over here. Ingaphandle, it's outside. Inja, ingaphandle. Mina, uZamani, mina, ngingaphandle. Hayibo, cha. Ayikho leyo nto. Ayikho leyo nto. Mina, ngingaphakathi. I'm inside. Ngingaphakathi. Inja, ingaphandle. Igama lami nginguZamani. Igama lenja of the dog. Igama lenja ngu-Yoko. Okay, that's the dog we have at our house here. Yoko. Igama layo of it. Igama layo ngu-Yoko. Igama lami ngu-Yoko. Cha. Ayikho leyo nto. That's nonsense. That's ridiculous. Igama lami nguZamani. Angithi? As in, isn't it? Isn't that so? Igama lami nguZamani. Angithi? Yebo. Igama lami nguZamani. Igama lenja ngu-Yoko. Igama lenja of the dog. Igama lenja ngu-Spot. Cha. Igama lenja ngu-Fido. Cha. Ayikho leyo nto. Ngubani? What is? Ngubani? Igama lami. Igama lami nguZamani. Ngubani? Igama lenja. Igama, this is my sign for name. Igama lenja ngu-Yoko. Okay. Iphi inja? P. Iphi inja? Inja ingaphandle. We speak about the dog. Iphi inja. If we speak about uYoko. Uphi uYoko. Uphi uYoko. 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 Ungaphandle is outside. Cool. Manje uYoko ufunani uYoko. Ufunani can be what do you want, or ufunani uYoko, what does Yoko want? uYoko ufunani uYoko. uYoko ufuna ukubhukuda, to swim. Cha, ayikho leyo nto. uYoko ufuna ukufunda. Ayikho leyo nto. Cha. uYoko ufuna ukudla. Ufuna ukudla uYoko. ufuna ukudla kwami. Ugangile uYoko, ugangile kakhulu. She's naughty. uYoko ufuna ukudla. Manje kukhona inkinga. In class, we go dum 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 dum. Try that. Kukhona inkinga. Dum 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 dum. Mina ngiyancishana. I'm stingy. Ngeke ngimnike uYoko ukudla. Food kwami. Ngeke. Mina ngiyancishana. Mina ngidla ukudla kwami, ngidla ngedwa alone. uYoko ngeke athole ukudla kwami. Cool. Quick recap. Kukhona inja. Inja ingaphandle is outside. Mina ngingaphakathi, I'm inside. Gubani igama. What is the name? Gubani igama lakho. And you respond, igama lami ngu student. Gubani igama lenja. Igama lenja ngu Yoko. Gubani igama lami. Igama lami ngu Zamani. You can say hello to Yoko. Sawubona Yoko. Yebo sawubona. Unjani Yoko? Ngiyaphila. Wena unjani? Nami ngiyaphila. uYoko ufunani? uYoko ufuna ukudla. You can ask what she wants to eat. uYoko ufuna ukudla ni. uYoko ufuna ukudla meat, inyama. Kodwa kukhona inkinga. Mina ngiyancishana. Ngeke uYoko athole ukudla kwami. Cosicos yaphela indaba. Ngiyabonga.
Zama zama